Hello everybody, welcome to GetPrintX. In this video, we will learn how we can install the GetPrintX on WooCommerce store, how we can connect it, how we can add the products, and how we can place automatic orders. We have to log in or create an account to the GetPrintX. After that, when you create a WordPress account, this kind of interface is shown. All the options are there on the left side. Here you have to add WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so add a WooCommerce plugin or any plugin to WordPress. We will just go down here. Here on the plugin section, we will just click on add new plugin. As WooCommerce is very popular, so when we click on popular here, WooCommerce would be shown here only. See, this is the WooCommerce which we have to install. Otherwise, you can just search here as well. After searching here, WooCommerce is visible. Now you can install it from here as well. So when we install any app or any plugin, so it is enabled in the left section here. So when we install the WooCommerce, this option would be enabled as WooCommerce. So here in the WooCommerce, we have to enable legacy API setting. So we will go to here WooCommerce, we'll go to settings here. Here on the top right, there is an advanced option. We will click here on the advanced. And here, this is a legacy API option. We will just click on legacy API and we will just enable it. Here, the legacy API is enabled, but you have to click on the tick to enable the legacy API and just click on save changes. After the legacy API is enabled, we can connect your WooCommerce store to GetPrintX. We will just go to GetPrintX again. Here on the left, the last option, connect store. Here we will just click on the WooCommerce option and we will add the website URL here. For example, your domain name is xyz.com. So you will just add the URL link here. For example, my store link is this. I'll just paste my store website link here and click on submit. Once we click on submit, we will be redirected to WooCommerce option and it will ask if you want to connect it to your store. We will just approve it from here. After approving, we would be logged into the GetPrintX. See, when you get logged in, you can check if your store is not connected by going the last option again. Here on the last option, you'll just click and check. See, you can see the website link is created. Your website link would be visible and you would be able to see that if it's connected or not. After that, we just have to add the products to our WooCommerce store. And once we add the products and get orders, we can just place the order from here. But I'll just guide you for products first. We will just go to WooCommerce to add products. There are two options you can add the products. First is the manual option. Here you will go to products on the left side. You will add new product. And here you will just add all the details like product name, here description, and product pricing and all here, for example $7.99. Here there are all the options you can add. For example, you can add the inventory, linked products, attributes such as sizes. And here on the right there is option to add the images and all. See, here you can add product images. Here you can add the variation images which would be shown in the gallery. After clicking on publish, your product would be saved on your website. So once you have created a product on your website backend, you will just come to GetPrintX and here there is a link store product option. We will click here to link the product. Once we click on sync products, and we can link it to a custom design. My created product would be shown here. So my created product is synced properly with the store and I'll just select the saved design which I have selected. For example, this is the design which I have saved. I'll just select this design. This is the same design which I have created. I'll just click on sync design. In this way, the product is successfully linked to my store, and once you receive the order by any customer, your orders would be shown here in the store order section. In this way, you can connect your store products with GetPrintX, but if there are no products at your store, you can push them from GetPrintX as well. To do this, we'll just go to GetPrintX. Here we will upload the design as discussed in the previous videos. After uploading the design, we will just generate mockups here. Once you add a design, all the mockups are generated in bulk. Okay. So After mockup generation, you would be able to see all your mockups are generated. After mockup generation, we will just click on this push product to store option. We can just select all the sizes and color variation we have to push. For example, I'll just select XS to 2XL. I'll just select black, white, olive, navy colors, and here I'll add the product name such as a regular t-shirt. Price would be $6.99, and this is a dummy description. You can add your custom description as well. Once we click on push to store, our product would be pushed to the store and would be visible. You can see the created product here in the product section and all products. See, the regular t-shirt is visible here, and if we want to make any specific edits, we can just click on edit and we can change the description or details as we want. So after changing the details, we will just publish it and we will just preview the product. You can see our product is successfully pushed to the store. Here you can see the price, here you can see the title, here are all the sizes, and here are all the colors which are already mapped with every attribute we have added. So when you click on olive green, the olive green t-shirt is shown here. So this is all the automatic process. We can just click on add to cart. See, the add to cart button is also working, and now your product is ready to purchase. So in this way, you can install our GetPrintX app on WooCommerce and you can add products directly and automatically on your store without any hassles. We hope this tutorial was clear to you. If you have any issues, just let us know. Our team will contact you right away. Start your dropshipping journey today with GetPrintX, and happy dropshipping.